For artificial intelligence to be successful, three things are required. First, an understanding of the business context in which the decision has to be made. Second, a database with actions and previous experience to be leveraged during the decision. And third is an agent that takes those decisions and applies them within a specified set of rules. There is one more important component of artificial intelligence, and that is pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is important because it gives a recognition of the world. For example, if I take in a medical or life science environment, looking at computer images of cancerous cells the machine is able to predict the malignity of the cells. Let me tell you where I believe the true potential of AI is. First, I would like to talk about an enabling technology, which is the cloud-based solutions, which gives unlimited power, processing, and storage capabilities for everyone. I believe this democratized approach will enable three waves of solutions which build on one another: semantic analytics, knowledge management, and agent processing. Businesses are already seeing the benefits of semantic analytics now. For example, in call center cost reduction, in claims analytics speeding up, and in document processing and aggregation. The second topic that is emerging is knowledge-based solutions. For example, for augmented maintenance, for areas where repairs are to be done by people with low qualification, and so on and so forth. This builds on top of the semantic analytics. The next stage is going to be agents. Basically, agents powered by knowledge with certain rules, depending on the context, taking autonomous decisions.